know that there will be no chocolates in the fridge for us to eat. But still, every 2 hours, I'll open the fridge door and see. I don't know why. Are you also like me? Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.